Okay. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a design of 4-bit adder. So in the digital electronics, you have half adder and a full adder. So for this 4-bit adder, we are going to take 4 full adders for the design. So first of all, let's see how a full adder works and its truth table. Let's have a look on this, a truth table of the full adder. So here, what is a full adder? A full adder contains 3 bits. So let's see, this is A, B, C are the 3 inputs. So 3 inputs are there, therefore 2 power 3, that is 8 combinations are possible. So these are the 8 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then every adder has 2 outputs, sum and a carry. So this is sum and the carry. When all 3 inputs are 0, the sum is 0 and the carry is 0. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. The sum is 1, there is no need of carry, no carry will generate. 0 plus 1, again 1, 1 plus 0, again 1. Sum is 1, there is no carry. Now you see 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 1, actually 2 in decimal. So the 2 in decimal is nothing but 1, 0. So carry will be 1 and the sum will be 0. I hope you understand. So 2 we represent with 1, 0, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Now 1 plus 0, again 1, 1 plus 0, again 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. So in the same way, 1 plus 0, again 1, 1 plus 1, 2, therefore the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. And again 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, again sum is 0, carry is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, it's 3. 3 we represent with 1, 1, the sum is 1 and the carry is 1. This will be helpful to us in the discussion of 4-bit adder design. Let's have a look upon what are the 4 bits. Okay, let's take a number, let it be A and B. These are my 2 numbers. Let these are 4-bit numbers. Okay, let randomly I will take 1, 0, 1, 1. You can take your wish. And B is one of the 4-bit number, let it be 0, 1, 1, 0. Just perform addition. We will see this theoretical value and then let's see how we have designed it. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is nothing but 0 and 1 is carry. Now we have seen that 2 is nothing but 0 and 1 is carry. Again 1 plus 1, 2, 0 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 0 and 1. So if you see, so this we call it as A0 bit. This is A1, this is A2 and this is A3. Okay, this is B0, this is B1, this is B2 and this is B3. These are my 4 bits of input and this is another 4 bit of input. And the sum you are expecting in the same way S0, S1, S2, S3 and final carry out. So this I want to design with my full adder. That's my motto. Now if you see here, there are 2 bits are there, you have added. Sometimes you may need 3 bit also. So where do I need? I need when there is a cascading. For example, we are using 2 stages of 4 bits. 4-bit adder, 4-bit adder. Okay, 2 adders you are using. Like this, 2 adders. This is complete 4-bit, this is complete 4-bit. Here this carry may become the input for it. At that time you need C input, right? So here if you imagine 3 bits I am adding, here also you 3 bits may add, here also 3 bits, here also 3 bits. In every stage in the 4-bit adder with 2 numbers, you need 3-bit adder. What's a 3-bit adder? It's nothing but a full adder. So how many I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 full adders I need it. So that's what we are taking. First full adder, second one, third one and fourth one. For the first full adder you observe, this is A0, B0 are connected. That's what it is connected over there. Exactly A0, B0 are connected as the inputs. And if we observe what is seen also connected. What is the seen? This is the output from the previous stage. If you do not have any previous stage, then you imagine this is 0. Cin is 0. If you have any previous stage, then you might be having Cin, but don't bother about it. Now this is a full adder with 3 inputs. So every full adder has 2 outputs, sum and carry. This sum we are calling as S0, and the carry will be the input for the next adder. That's what we are saying. Carry is the input for the next one. And again there are 3 bits are there. You see A0, A1, B1. Here this is A1, B1, and the carry from here, if you get, so that we call it as a C0. Now 3 bits are added, and you will get sum and carry again. That sum we are calling as S1, and carry this is a carry. Yes, it is propagating from first stage to another, next full adder. So it is passed to the next one. This is next one, C1. Now again these 3 get added. You will get S2, which is nothing but this one. This stage is also generated, and I got S2, and the carry here or here for the next one. Next full adder it will go. So the next full adder carry will be C2, and again these 3 get added with our full adder, and finally S3 and final C out. This is called C out. In this way we can design a full adder, 4-bit full adder, by using a 4-bit adder. This is 4-bit binary adder you can design using a normal full adder, which is nothing but 3-bit. Here for example you feel that now this is my first stage, you can use here a half adder also. Better is you always use full adder. In that way you can use it in any stage of the adder. Okay, so let's see one example. Well, this is one case we have seen. We will verify this with practically now. Okay, case 2, 2 cases we will verify. That this is case 1. We will check the output whether it matches or not. We are taking input 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. We should get the output 1 0 0 1. In binary this is 1 0 1 1 we are representing. What's the value in decimal? In decimal its equivalent is 1 2 4 8 we say, right? So 1 is there, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, its value is 11. Now what its value? B. This is 0, this is 2 plus 4, 6, 11 plus 6, 17 I should get. You check, this is 16 plus 1, 17. Theoretically I should get 17, practically we will be doing in the next step. Next case 2. Check the case 2. One more example we will take randomly. Let A equal to, this is our assumption, you can take any values, you can 4 bits means 16 combinations you can take, any of the 16 combinations. We will verify 2 cases practically. So let it be 0 1 0 0, exactly reverse I took. Just B is equal to, in the same way, 1 0 0 1, it's up to you. Just add 1 0 1 1. So I have taken 1 2 4 8 in terms of decimal. So this is 4, A is 4. What is B? B is 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 plus 4, I should get 13. You check 13. So these 2 cases we are going to discuss, we are going to see output practically, what components needed to do practically and how to do it practically. Let's see, let's come. Thank you.